How to use time tracker in monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, this is a step-by-step tutorial, so just follow along and yeah. So I am over here in this random board that I created for the sake of this tutorial. And what you want to do is actually add the time tracking. So how to do that? Go to this plus icon in order to add a column. And you want to make sure to go to more columns because it doesn't show up in here. Then simply search for time track. And then over here, you can add this to your board. If you add this to your board, this will show up and it will automatically show up for everything, of course. And then I can just simply click on this play button and it will start tracking immediately. Now that is very nice. And I can also click on pause and then I can click on it and I can see the total of time tracked. You can also add sessions manually, as you can see right there. And here, let's say you have multiple people assigned to one task, then those multiple people will also show up in here, which is pretty nice. Now, let's say you have sub items. Now, what you can do is, let's say these are all the sub items, then you also want to add the time tracker once again. So let's do that real quick. And I have now it over here. So let's track a bit of time. And now that we're tracking time, as you can see, the main item, there is no time showing up, like total time of the task. Now, okay, actually show the total time spent on the sub items on the main items. Well, that's actually super easy. Let's pause this real quick. Go through to these three dots, then click on show summary on parent item. And then this will show up over there. And I'll make this a little bit bigger. And then you can now see that we have tracked a total of 1 minute. If we click on here, you can see you can see all of the time for each task or sub item. You can also click on there and see the exact time and who did everything. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how to use the time tracker in monday.com. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.